Hey guys, Jackson Williams here with a new video. Today we are gonna ride a dirt bike. So yeah, let's get right into it. Here's a dirt bike. It's $600 and it goes 22. So let's get right into this. So guys, we can't jump today because unfortunately my dirt bike battery is falling off. So we're not going to be jumping, but we're going to be going up curbs and riding. Let's wait for this guy to move his car real quick. So yeah guys, let's go. First, we're going up the curb. Right. We'll just go down. Hi guys. Bye guys. So, if you guys don't know, I'm going on the Pilgrim. Yes, the Pilgrim trip for my field trip, and I'm spending the night on Monday, so yeah. That's going to be a lot of fun. Unfortunately, guys, my phone is about to die, so I'm going to have to end the vlog right here. So, thanks for watching. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what you should be doing, you gotta go click that subscribe button, smash it, and comment of something if you want. Comment dirt bike if you want this very dirt bike right here. So yeah, see you guys in the next video.